Birds are chattering over the fresh-tilled soil on this swath of land near Pillar Point Harbor, but lately human debate has been even louder. Like many potential developments on the coastside, this 20-acre stretch of wetland termed farmland has become the center of a dispute over how land should be used on the coast.
My partners and I bought this about 10 years ago. It took about 2 years to think exactly how we wanted to do it. We had some ideas. Finally, about 2 years after we bought it, which was about 8 years ago now, it culminated into the project that you see now, which is called Big Wave. Part of it is the wellness center, the 5 acres, to provide a place for 50 adults with developmental disabilities and 20 spaces for their caregivers. The business park on the other side it's designed to have a business park that will provide jobs, maintenance abilities, customers to which to sell the goods that we create here from the wellness center, and to provide financial sustainability and hopefully in perpetuity.
Many coastside residents and neighboring communities object to the project's size and location. At the adjacent Pillar Ridge, for instance, residents worry that the development would harm their sense of place.
This office park with these 46-foot tall buildings will block out the side of the ridge, or Pillar Point, what gives us a sense of place here, and look like they could be anywhere in this very special coastside, surrounded by open space area. They're just going to put an office park. That's what concerns us. I mean, not that they should be able to build something on their land, they should be able to do something with it, but this is just totally out of scale.
This November, the San Mateo County Planning Commission voted to give the Big Wave development the needed permits and certifications to move forward. The decision came after several years of environmental review, reading more than 200 letters for and against the project, and after hearing 5 hours worth of community testimony on it. Many community members still have qualms, which seem to be related to the enormous document known as the Environmental Impact Report.
You could pick any random page in it, and you could argue the points in it. So yeah, it's controversial. There's a lot of technical information in here. Some of it you agree with, some of it you don't. When I ran for council, the reason I ran is because it seemed like the Mid-Coast Council at the time was just anti-everything, anti-growth. And my position is that if we set the rules correctly, the planning and zoning guidelines, then we could have smart growth, we could focus our growth, and not all growth is bad. Shortly after I was elected, this project came up called the Big Wave, and you know, I didn't think it was a smart plan. I didn't think it was an example of smart growth. Not that there should be nothing built on the property, that the property should be open space. That was not my position. My position was basically that the project needed to be honed in a better direction so that it served the environment and served the public and was more coastal appropriate.
Dissatisfied groups and citizens will likely appeal to the San Mateo County Board of Supervisors and perhaps go from there to the Coastal Commission.
The Committee for Green Foothills is working on the appeal, and the Pillar Ridge Homeowners Association will be included in that appeal. We voted on that.
We meet all of the environmental requirements, and we provide tremendous social benefit. Both pieces, all pieces of the project provide tremendous social benefit. So we're really confident that we're going to get through.
You know, it could be anybody, but every step of the way will be protested and will be reviewed, and we'll end up in court, obviously. But by the time it's done, it will be one tight project.